going through the center of the table. She'll have a piece safe. She just needs to make sure she avoids the side pocket. No, this is kind of an interesting shot. She should have played the two ball down there, which I don't quite understand because it is a very risky shot. You see how small that space is. She had to park that two ball behind the set. The shot to try right there. She has left an open shot. I'm confused at that shot selection.